Okay, this is the first iOS tutorial. Today we'll be going over how to get started with Xcode. So first things first, you have to download Xcode. And for this, you're going to need a Mac. Xcode is not available on Windows machines. So get your Mac. Then you're going to go to the App Store here and search for Xcode. And as you can see here, I already have it installed. If you do not, you can click this button and it will install it for you on the machine. From there, we can open Xcode. Alright, I'll open a new project here. So when you start it, you'll get a screen like this. And from here, we're going to just create a new Xcode project. Alright, so just to start out with, we'll do a single view application. We'll call it and create. So first thing you see is this screen. This has some options with regards to what device orientations you want to enable for your application, and some many other options are in here, but don't worry about that for now. For now, focus over on this thing over here. All right. First, you have some. This is where the code goes, and you have basically two pairs of H&M files. The first is our app delegate. So this is used. You'll use this for writing code in response to certain application events. For instance, here you have did finish launching with options, and then you can write your code in here. Application will resign active. Application did enter background, etc. So when you're running your application, if the user sends it to the background, whatever is in this method will be executed. Okay, and then the next one is our view controller. And what you'll find is that most projects typically work where you have a view and then you have a view controller that works behind the view. And the view controller basically is where you write the code for the view. Okay, so this is our H file and this is our M file. All right, and then here we have main.storyboard. Okay, and this is our basically what our app looks like for now. And if you click play right over there, it compiles and it will automatically run in the simulator. So let's see if we, there we go, my first project. And since we don't have anything, there's nothing on the screen. But basically, this will play and this will stop the project. Okay, and then in order to make changes to this, we can go over here and we can type label. And then all we have to do is drag this to here. So we can write, then you double click on the label. Then if we run it again, it shows up. It's not centered perfectly, obviously. So you will learn how to do that to make it center properly later. But this is generally how you will build the interface. You'll type in your different components over here, you drag it onto your interface, and you'll design it the way you want it to look, and then you'll write the code for it in your view controller file. Okay. The other thing we have to learn is the assistant editor here. Okay. We will need this later, but this basically opens up. Now you can look at my storyboard over here, and I can look at my code over here. And this is important, so you will need this later. And I think that's going to wrap it up for now. This was the first iOS tutorial.